Hey guys, Josh here from Clean and Shiny, and today I'm going to do a quick rundown of the ValetPRO range of snow foams. So there's 4 foams to get into, so let's get started. So starting off with essentially the basic one is pH neutral. It's your go-to snow foam, 1 to 10 in a snow foam lance. So 900 ml water, 100 ml of product. I like to use the MJJC. It's got these handy little indicators on it. So 900 ml water, 100 ml product, and that's just going to give you a really nice neutral foam. So it's great for coated vehicles, or if you just got a bit of light dust on there, it's just going to drag that off. So next up in the range is Foamula 1. So this is sort of a step up from pH neutral. It's a little bit thicker. You can dilute it from 1 to 10 down to 1 to 5 depending on how thick you want the foam essentially, but we find this one really good for going around with a soft brush on the sills, badges and stuff like that, just because it's a thicker foam, tends to dwell for a little bit longer, hang around, give you a bit more time to go around and agitate those nooks and crannies. So stepping up to advanced neutral snow foam. So this is quite a big hitter. So it is technically still pH neutral, but it's slightly higher on the pH scale. So I think when diluted, it comes in at around 7.5 or 8. It's very similar in terms of consistency to Foamula 1. You can get a nice thick foam out of it. Same dilution ratios as well. You can go all the way up to 1 to 10 or 1 to 5. And also you can put in a pump sprayer, which goes for all of the snow foams as well. So it is still safe on sealants and waxes and stuff, but just if you maybe you've left your car for a little while and it needs a bit of a kick, if you're not going to use a pre-wash underneath it, just put this over the top. It's going to give a real nice cleaning power and take away a lot of that dirt on the surface. And then we come to the big hitter. So Snow Foam Combo 2 is a true alkaline snow foam pre-wash. So cars that aren't coated have got a lot of stuck on dirt, really embedded stuff, or you just want to strip the slate clean and just give it a real once over and let it do its thing. You can dilute this 1 to 3 for really thick foam in a snow foam lance, spray that over. Again, you can use it in a pump sprayer or a foamer and use it at 1 to 15, so it's a bit more economical for the lowers, but really good cleaning power on this. I think it comes in at around pH 12, pH 12 and a half, so it's going to really tackle that road grime, so stuff for the winter. It's just a really great product to have. So they are just 4 options from the ValetPRO range. That's their range of snow foams. Thanks for watching. I've been Josh. If there's any other products you'd like to know a bit more about, drop a comment, let me know, and we'll make a video for you. Remember, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and keep it clean and keep it shiny. Nice. Nice.